The subject of this video is the settings and preferences in Teams. You can tailor these to suit your work style and boost your productivity. So let's go into Teams settings. So general, you can auto start. I don't auto start. I start it when I need it. I use the main window. I find too many windows popping up is a problem. Same with chats. I use the main window. You can set up your out of office. You can do that in Outlook or you can do that in Teams. I don't send messages externally. I keep them in the organization. You may decide to do differently. You've got all your accounts. You can add an account if you have multiple accounts. You can manage your privacy. There's a few settings here. I tend to go with the defaults. And unless there's a specific reason, I just don't change it. These settings are fairly good. Now, your organization may have a different policy, so you may want to check with your security team or your help desk to find out. And in some cases, there's a policy applied to Teams that would already set these settings to the organizational defaults. So notifications and activity. You can, set whether or not to play sounds. You can turn these notifications on and off. You can set activity around missed emails and messages. The notification activity center would display a red icon to let you know that there's items there you've missed. And also mentions, in case you're mentioned somewhere in a Teams channel. And likes and reactions also show up there. Some may view these as boosting productivity, creating, fostering collaboration, especially people that are remote, but I tend to find them annoying sometimes. So let's go to appearance. Again, I tend to leave this as a default, with chat density and sign language is probably something that your organization's policy may adjust depending on the person's needs. The animations I leave off, language I leave with defaults. Files and links open in the browser. I find the browser is open faster. It's just I tend to work fairly quick. I don't want to wait for an application to load, even though I've got a fast machine. And calls, you can get into call forwarding, redirecting, choosing a ringtone. You can record a customized greeting just like you would on your phone. It's very straightforward. Just follow the prompts. And again, around languages and your greetings. Always recommend spell checking your text. So maybe, run that into Word first, go through a spell checker, then post it in the meetings. And here are device types. So you may have, the devices in your laptop. You may have external devices that are in your monitor or external sound like mic and sound system like I do. And then you can set all those defaults there. I find using a microphone and headset, the quality is greatly improved versus what's in the laptop. It all depends on your level of professionalism and where you're working. And then you can set a secondary ringer. And here you can also check the video quality. I have some other videos on video quality and sound quality you can look up. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please click like and subscribe. Thanks.